Hello viewers, this is Aravinder Anne Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see EPFO cheers working class by keeping interest rate on PF unchanged at 8.5%. For more information we shall go inside the video. I request you to all to kindly watch this video in full. Now we shall go to the inside of the video. According to prevailing EPFO norms, at least 12% of an employee's basic salary is compulsorily deducted to be saved in Provident Fund, while an employer co-contributes another 12%. The Employees Provident Fund Organization, the state-run retirement fund manager, on Thursday announced on 8.5% interest on Provident Fund deposits for 2020 to 2021, keeping a widely watched working class metric of savings unchanged from last year. The decision to not lower interest rates is a welcome move for India's nearly 50 million EPFO subscribers, for whom a provident fund is often the only mode to save up for retirement. The EPFO has decided it will pay an 8.5% interest on deposits based on the current position of earnings and deposits of the organization. A board member of the EPO told soon after a meeting of the EPO's Central Board of Trustees held in Srinagar Thursday. According to prevailing EPFO norms, at least 12% of an employee's basic salary is compulsorily deducted to be saved in Provident Fund, while an employer co-contributes another 12%. Subscribers will be paid an 8.5% interest during 2020 to 2021 on these deposits. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, in the Union Budget presented in February, had announced that interest on employee contribution to Provident Fund of over Rs 2.5 lakh per annum would be taxed starting April 1st. She had said that the tax exempted deposit limit was set at 2.5 lakh. In March last year, the retirement fund manager had disappointed subscribers by a downward revision of interest rate on PF deposits to 8.5%, a 7-year low. Earnings of the EPFO are facing different situations in the financial markets. The EPFO's earnings for 2020 to 2021 are backed at Rs 65,000 crore, and it will be comfortably able to pay 8.5% this year too, EPFO authorized source said. The COVID-19 pandemic had pressured the EPFO's earnings and delayed payment for 2019 to 2020. This was paid in two installments deriving from two sources of EPFO's investments, 8.15% from debt investments and 0.35% from its equity portfolios. Pressured earnings have forced the retirement fund manager to lower the interest rates payable to depositors in some preceding years. For instance, during 2017 to 2018, the organization had paid an 8.55% interest rate. In 2016 to 2017, the interest rate was higher at 8.65%. According to the Labour Ministry's latest statement of payroll data, the number of new subscribers of EPFO, which also gives an estimate of formal sector employment growth, rose by 24% to 1.254 million in December 2020 compared to a year before. Previously, interest accrued from an employee's provident fund EPF was exempt from tax. The decision of the union budget to fix a tax exempt limit on EPFO's deposits from the employee's share and impose a tax above deposits of rupees 2.5 lakh is aimed more at curbing disproportionately high voluntary savings by high income individuals, said Bikaram Damagia, a partner at Compass Tax PLC. Hello viewers, the information available in this video may be helpful to you. I thanks to you to watch this video in full. Thank you very much. I request you to all to kindly share this video to your friends and relatives, as well as it may be very useful to you, means kindly press the like button, as well as you have to subscribe this Aravindar Anne Arut channel. We will be very grateful to you.